Today we're unboxing a very special shoebox, a rounded gift that's already been given before it ever reaches the child who will receive it. Thanks for being here. Let's do this.
Sweetie Daily, spreading the light.
Hi friends, this gift is for a girl who's 2 to 4, and the shoebox I'm using is one that I had on hand, and I covered the outside with some fun polka dot contact paper. When she opens the box, this is what she'll see. The lid design is a cute little elephant with some purple butterflies, and it says Jesus loves you. And if you like this lid design, you can use it for your own shoeboxes by going to sweetteadaily.com. And right on the top is this adorable little elephant. And I want to take a few moments to tell you more about this very special item. I purchased this elephant through a ministry called Set Free Alliance. Set Free Alliance is a Christian evangelical organization that does humanitarian work in India, Sierra Leone, and Liberia. And they help provide clean water. And did you know that 771 million people around the world still don't have access to it? They also rescue vulnerable children, provide medical care, plant churches, and share the hope of Jesus with communities in need. In India alone, an estimated 8 million children are living in modern-day slavery, which is one of the reasons this ministry's work touched my heart so deeply. This little elephant's name is Wella, and each Wella elephant is handmade by a young woman who's been rescued in India. The purchase of these elephants helps give these women an opportunity to rebuild their lives while also supporting Set Free Alliance's work to provide clean water to people in need. I love thinking that a gift created through one ministry to help people can then go on to bring joy and comfort to children through another ministry, Operation Christmas Child. So I purchased 2 of these elephants, this one for the shoebox and this other one to give away as a way to say thank you for the love, grace, and support you all have shown to me in this channel. So be sure to stay till the end to find out how you can enter the giveaway. Okay, so let's see what else is in the shoebox. Another little elephant that she'll be receiving is this very plush, soft beanie elephant that I thought would be perfect for a little girl who's 2 to 4. She will also be receiving this sweet little baby. I found this baby at Walmart. I believe it was last Christmas, and it was after Christmas, it was clearance. And I purchased her for $5. And she is such great quality, and she came with her own little blanket, but then I added another little blanket and tied it with a little ribbon. I think she's just really sweet. To go along with the elephant theme, I found this cute little Crown and Ivy elephant t-shirt. This was on clearance at a department store called Belk's, which I think probably this is the only area that has a Belk store left. So anyway, found a really great deal on that t-shirt. She will be getting a little hairband with a little barrette that's a purple butterfly to match her lid design. She will be receiving this little pouch that says, "Just a girl who loves elephants." She can use this for school or really for anything. And then to go along with her little pouch is this tote bag. I love all the bright, happy colors. She will be getting some jingle bells, a pink velvet hair scrunchie, and she will be getting this light purple tennis ball. And I have to tell you, in my 2 to 4 boxes, from now on, I'm going to include tennis balls instead of the squish balls or the moon balls. someone made a comment in one of my previous videos that someone she knew, I think it was her grandchild, had taken a bite out of one of the moon balls and she started to choke on it. So now, from now on, for my 2 to 4 year olds, I'm no longer going to include moon balls or the squishy balls. I'm only going to be including something like a tennis ball, just to be on the safe side. She will be getting this cute little kind of squishable-like character. I'm not sure if this is an official. Oh, it is a squishable. Anyway, I just thought this was really cute with all the happy colors. She will be receiving the Safari Adventures puzzle. Has some really cute animals on there. And it is a 48-piece puzzle, which might be a little bit challenging for a 2 to 4 year old, but I think pretty soon she'll be able to put it together by herself. And I did not include anything else inside the box because it's pretty full with the puzzle. And I just really like the presentation, so I'm going to include it inside the box. And here she has her school supply pencil pack with some Play-Doh and a little finger puppet. And I made these in one of a previous video that I did. She will also be receiving a glue stick and some scissors. This is a toothbrush, and it's a little bumblebee toothbrush. And these are really, really cute. Little pink bee. I got these toothbrushes off of Amazon. And I'm putting it in this little box just to keep it protected. She'll be getting a very soft washcloth. A hairbrush and mirror combo. She'll be getting a little journal book. It says love on it. She will be getting this pair of pink sparkly tennis shoes. And inside her shoes, there is a comb and 2 pairs of socks. I like to stuff the shoes so that way there's not wasted space inside the shoebox. And also a pair of underwear. I think that's everything in there. She will be receiving our letter and our photo. This little National Geographic book about elephants. A little dress-up princess book that I found at Dollar Tree. I just love their little dress-up sticker books. They are so sweet for this age. She will be receiving this Paint with Water Safari, the cute little elephants on the front. And I have taped two paint brushes to the cover here so that she can paint these cute characters. So cute. Both of my children enjoyed painting with water when they were little. She'll be receiving this little letter and number practice sheet that's also available on the website. This little Jesus Loves You coloring book is also available on the website. Oops. And so is this Safari Adventure coloring book. And there is a cute picture of a little girl and an elephant. Oop, I'm losing my box. And she will also be getting a folder with some paper for school. Oh, and this little name page is also available on the website if you'd like to print it off for your own shoe boxes. Well, as I mentioned earlier, I want to thank everyone who has supported this channel through your kind comments and subscribing. This is just the best community, and I'm really thankful for your support. And if you would like to win this very cute Wella elephant plush, which I think would be great for either a girl or a boy, all you have to do to enter is leave a comment below. This giveaway is for those who are 18 years old or over and living in the continental United States only due to shipping charges. I'm sorry I can't offer it to those outside the United States. I'll be drawing a winner this Sunday, August 9th. If you enjoy OCC content like this, I invite you to like and subscribe to my channel. Well, dear friends, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for joining me. May God bless you and your shoebox ministry. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.